Oh, yeah. Wow, man, cool. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. How's everybody doing this fine Sunday morning? I'm doing fantastic myself. I hope the same for you guys. Wow, man. Let's turn that music down a little bit. They can hear me, maybe. That was a good tune, man. I was digging it. I was digging that, yeah. All right, let's add that to the favorites. Definitely. Oh, yeah. Bam. Boom. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. All right, let's check on the stream. Excellent connection. Everything's good. I am streaming in low latency, so you can closed captioning is turned on if you need closed captions. That is available now. So, yeah, boys, what's happening, man? What's good with you guys? What is happening out there in the world, the Kronies world? What is up, man? Damn, it's good to be live from here, man. It's been a while. It feels like forever since I've been live from here, man. It's damn good. It feels damn good to be live from here. As you guys know, I've been working on the new studio, so that is in the works. Let me just pull up the chat here. Boom. Bring the chat back to where we are. Got the Irish rock going this morning. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, I got some Irish in me. So, my grandfather, Bucky, he was Irish. My mom's father, actually. So yeah, definitely got a little bit of that in me. How are you guys? How the heck are you guys? Zaphael, Mama, my mama is in the house. Kodaman Studios, Amos, me Dibs, Sammy Superstar. What's up, man? What's up, guys? Hopefully I didn't miss anybody. Did I miss anybody? Nope, doesn't look like it. Good stuff, man. Good stuff. So yeah, I 60p. Yeah. I do 60p. Yeah. Just wait till I get the 60p, the 60 FPS capture card though. I only have a 30 FPS capture card. I'm sending out 60, but the capture card is converting it down to 30. So my camera. Oh shit, I forget how it goes. But anyways, I'm gonna get a capture card and a setup so that I can do 60 FPS when I'm live, right? And yeah, man, wait till you guys see what I have planned in the new space for tools and stuff, like seeing tools live, man. You'll see them up close. Yeah, you're gonna feel like you're right there, man, using the tool yourself. That's how cool it's gonna be. Sammy, yeah, streaming 4K. Right on, buddy. 4K streamer here, buds. 4K streamer, man. How's it going, Sammy? How are you, dude? Looks like my camera got moved a little bit. Let's see if I can move it back. About there somewhere. Yeah. Shit, now I have to recenter my other. Oh yeah, I forgot to play the overlay. Oh shoot. Hold on, I need to take this off. Need to put that on there. And then I need to go there. I think it's 3, right? Nope. Oh, look at that little one. That's kind of neat. The little one. But if I, oh, hold on here. No, it's, I think is it 4? Yeah, 4, that's the one. Right, then it goes away. Yeah, 4. Yeah, that's the one. Good morning, guys. So good morning. So yeah, lots of stuff. Lots of new stuff going on. The new job. We finished the penthouse. That took us 10 days to do the penthouse. We started a 36-story tower. They have I think 15 stories poured already, so they're still pouring more than half the building. So that's crazy. They got the concrete's there all day long, just pumping concrete, eh? It's pretty crazy, man. There's a huge cantilever as well on this building, which is just out crazy, man. So they got that all supported and extra because I think it cracked. So they're looking into it. I think it's all good. I'm pretty sure it's all good. So, but yeah, it's a neat building. It's so clean. It is a super clean job. The general contractor is a great contractor to work for. They're very reasonable. You just have to, like, the safety is different, right? We have to wear all our PPE, you know, all the time, like our mask and high vis vest, even inside the building, you know. So it's a little intense, right? Hard hats all day long, you know. So it's a little intense that way. But we're gonna try. Not maybe, definitely a second Black Magic, Sammy. I'm gonna stay with the Black Magic line, yeah, I'm gonna buy some more Black Magic cameras for sure. I need a tool cam. Yeah, I'm gonna get the 6K Pro and the micro camera they have. So it's got the micro four thirds on it, and the 6K Pro has an EF mount. So. Jelly Duck, my man. What is up, Jelly? Hold on here. Jelly. Oh man, that's awesome, dude. I can't play the sound effects too much because I'm only running one audio source today for the everything. So I can't. I don't have my. I broke my old phone. I need to get sent in for repair. I think getting it repaired will be cheaper than buying a new one. So I'm gonna just do that. I need to get the docking port and the screen fixed, I think. So well, the screen isn't really. I don't know what it is, man. It's messed up, and it's a broken phone, is what it is. So you can shake it, and there's something rattling around inside it. So. WebM has been working great. WebM. What's WebM, Sammy? Sammy monetize. Sammy, hey, yeah, where's your subscriber count at now, Sammy? Hey, what's your subscriber count at now? Black Hole Sun. Yeah, I love Black Hole Sun by Soundgarden. My ukulele. Oh, nice. The song just stuck. Nice. Oh, that's a great song, man. Yeah, your ukulele. That's neat, eh? You're still playing that. That's good, buddy. That's good. Cracks and all don't really go together. Yeah. Yeah. 316. Something like that. Nice, man. Getting there, eh? Getting there. Yeah, you need to get 1,000 before you monetize anyways, but yeah, be doing great. The channel's been yeah, your content, you've been doing really well, pumping out great interviews, man. I try to catch as many as I can. It's awesome, dude. Oh yeah. Sometimes yeah, batteries are expensive. Like literally when we were talking about like Hilti or really any tool brand, I find like you're buying into the battery line, because once you get a bunch of batteries, you know, the tools are relatively cheap, right? So WebM for stream elements, neat. I'm gonna look that up. WebM. Oh wait, WebM. Elements. Cool. I'm gonna check that out, dude. I'm gonna check it out. WebM for stream elements. Did I mean WebM? Maybe. Let's try that. Oh, Nerd or Die. Oh, I know Nerd or Die. Yeah. Nice. I know Nerd or Die quite well. Yeah, cool, man. I actually haven't checked Nerd or Die out in a while, so I'll have to check. Thanks for reminding me about them, actually, buddy. I love Nerd or Die stuff. All my I got all the Nerd or Die stream deck buttons, eh? Yeah, they're pretty cool. So, ooh, this is a Chaos Theory. I need to download that for later. Download all stems. I'm gonna use this this is a shorts song for sure. All right, so anyways, let me hold on here. Let me see here. Okay, so pop-ups. Yeah, I still got some pop-ups. Actually, let's check to see if the pop-ups still work. But I want an appropriate one. What's this one?
Thanks for the super chat, eh, hoser?
Oh, that's a super chat? Okay. I don't want to do the which one.
Smoke weed.
That one. I didn't want that one. Shoot. Not in this not in this stream. But yeah, they seem to be working. Oh, you probably couldn't hear the audio anyway. I have to turn the music off here. Let me turn the music off. I turn up the sound effects. I'm trying to see if my buttons work. Why do I got I gotta reprogram my buttons here.
Look, brothers.
Yeah, there's nothing. Definitely need to reprogram my buttons. Mario. It's me, the Mario. Let's check out, we're going to check out Construction Junkie and Construction Dive today. I don't have a lot of time to stream today because I have a lot of work to do in the garage, like in the new studio. So, I'm only going to look at a couple of the pages today. Normally I go into more detail, but I need to go the other way. Shoot. Hold on here. What is that? Is there a dust on my camera or something, or what the hell is this light right here? Or it could just be a light from something else, I suppose. Oh wait, hold on a second. This button still works? Yeah, this button works. Okay. All right, I remember now. Oh,
Boys are very nice.
there's their Borat. There's Borat for you. Good morning, Borat. All right. There we go.
I'm Batman.
There we go.
I'm Batman. Hail to the king, baby.
Nice, dudes. Nice. Okay, so now that that's up, oh man, my stuff is a mess too, guys. Like a serious mess. So I'll show you. Here's what the studio's looking like right now. It's a total mess. Well, I guess you can't really see the big mess from here, but boom, boom. She's a mess. Where's the other camera? Thought I had another camera somewhere. Oh, Ben's got the camera back. Okay. Yeah, I was like, yeah, I thought there was 3, but no, or 4 cameras. I only got 3 right now. It's kind of neat though, eh? Like, yeah, the overheads. I'm gonna have, man, it's gonna be neat when we get that garage studio done. That's for sure. See there? That's Grandma. There's Grandma right there. That's me and Benjamin right there in the middle. That's my Emilio. And other stuff. TD, Choco Drew, Team Smoke, Ant. That's the note from Bailey. And yeah, man. Couple motivation things. Okay, let's get to it, boys. Let's get to it. First of all, has anyone seen any robots on site, whether it be like a drone or a robot, like or like a autonomous construction equipment or anything like that? Has anyone actually seen it? You should have started earlier. Yeah, I guess I should have. But dude, like I was up earlier. I was editing. I'm editing the new Hilti video. I've been editing it like almost every morning this week, trying to get it done. I finally got all of my clips together, and my all my clips together. So now all I have to do is shoot the main video, right? Like talk my opinion and record that and edit that in, and then just do the final edits. It's taking some time to do, guys. My new Hilti video, but I don't want to rush it because it's a important video. It's important for me. It's important that I do well on this video. So I'm trying to balance everything, right? Like I'm also going to probably go live again to like later on tonight when after I'm done working in the studio to show you guys the progress in the studio as well. So yeah, a Roadcaster, maybe. Yeah, I think it might be time to look into something like that. I can use or I'm thinking about getting the Go XLR and using it with my mixer. I can use the mixer and the Go XLR together. So that would give me more control, because yeah, like I need to be able to control a podcast and a call interviews. You know, I need to practice. I need to get a guest. I need to do this, but I don't have time right now. But when I do have time, I really appreciate someone helping me out, coming on and messing around with the audio, so I can get the audio routed properly for interviews, right? And then I want to go back to doing lots more interviews myself. So, but yeah, we're gonna have a podcast interviewing set in there as well. So I'm gonna have live guests coming in. It's gonna be pretty cool. So it'll have it will have the podcast stage. It'll have this stage or set, right? And then it'll have the video set. So there's going to be like 3 kind of areas, right? So, well, 4 if you're including there'll be some storage, right? So for camera equipment and stuff. Yeah, dibs. That's totally fine, man. That's totally cool, buddy. No, I haven't even been streaming for long, really. I just been jumping on and kind of giving updates and stuff like that. Things are just super busy right now. That's all. Once we get settled into the new studio and stuff, it's gonna be. We'll get back to a regular schedule again. And of course, I love with this new job that we don't have to work Sundays ever. So I'll probably only work every second Saturday now, right? So. I'm gonna get back to like a normal schedule, right? Normal work hours type thing. So it's cool, man. It's gonna be better, more balanced, right? But yeah, man. Like, so first thing I seen right away, this Bobot, the robot that wants to be trade on the job site. So while still new in the construction industries, robots are typically designed to perform a specific task in a highly precise and efficient way, like the rebar tying robot Tiebot or the bricklaying robot Hadrian X. More recently, though, robots are being imagined as platforms for third-party companies to develop hardware and accessories to attach to the base robot, like the Boston Dynamics robot dog Spot. I recently came across a new robot called Bobot, which hopes to one day perform tasks using every tool on a typical job site. What? All right, yeah, we're definitely going to read some more on this. There's a video. Okay, where's the video? Oh, here it is. No volume. All right, hold on here. No, there's music in this one. Yeah, look at this thing here. Bobot. At this time, the company projects each unit to take roughly 6 months to ship and to sell at a starting price of 150,000 euros? Get out of here. That's crazy. So, it's a really expensive leveling laser. I think you could buy a whole bunch of laborers for cheaper than that. Yeah. And they would even work faster. What? No, don't you dare. Don't you dare, boys. But that's kind of, see that? It was routering out the drywall. Oh boy. Bruh, yeah. Interesting. See how it's got the light? I'm losing some bandwidth here. Are you playing a game, Ben? Ben, are you playing a game?
Yeah, I'm playing Path of Exile.
A Path of Exile? Oh, it should be all right. I just feel like I'm losing bandwidth, but that's okay. Don't worry about it. It should be okay. Sorry guys. Oh. Okay, so yeah, if you guys get a lot of lag and stuff, let me know, okay? Because I'll have to free up some bandwidth probably. I'd replace Chris for a cool 150,000 euro robot. Ah, that's awesome. If I was a boss, that's hilarious. That's funny, man. What's this about now? Yeah, let's a robot arm, eh? Wow. Whoa, man, this guy's got crazy specs, eh? What's in this case? Oh my god. Buddy, if you came up to me and said, hey man, want to see what's in my case? I thought he was playing Valheim? Oh yeah. Yeah, Valheim. I forgot about that game. I have that game actually too. For freak's sakes, I haven't even... I totally forgot about Valheim. Yeah, I gotta get on that. Yeah, look at this little thing here, eh? Huh. But anyways, that's not what we're here to look at, really. That's this just shows you how far ahead, how far things have come, right? And they're gonna be coming, like, you know, things are gonna start progressing quicker and quicker. I think that's so stupid. The laser leveling, that is so silly. Like Vikings meet Minecraft. Yeah, right? Wow. So, yeah, we've kind of figured that, let me read this, that, yeah, robots are going to have to, you know, they're going to need to be more, like, diverse. Like, they're going to have to do more than just one task, I think, to be really, you know, for main trades, you know, because we do so many different things. Like, if you're a bricklayer, right? Yeah, you're laying brick all day. It's the same thing over and over and over and over again, right? So a robot can do that. I would like to see a robot frame a wall, you know, like go lay the track, and then like the studs. I don't know, man. I don't know. I think 3D printing walls would come before that. I really do. Yeah, for me, I'm a huge fan of Minecraft. I love Minecraft is amazing. Yeah, it's a good game. But I wish I had more time to play games, man. Like, I haven't even been playing in the mornings lately. I just been opening Premiere Pro up and opening up my YouTube page, and you know, look at that little thing. Conan, man. Oh man, that's funny, man. Well, okay, let's see here. Blah, 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 blah. Bobot is an Austrian-based robot, not to be confused with another Austrian-based robot, Terminator, developed by Printstones with the goal of learning every trade on the job site. Its current functional capabilities include 3D concrete printing, material handling by gripping or suction, welding, drilling and routing, driving fasteners, sanding, painting, layout, plasma cutting, formwork milling, and bricklaying. It's equipped with all-terrain tracks, which even allow it to climb stairs. The flexible robotic arm gives the machine the ability to attach different accessories for a variety of applications listed above. Still in testing stage, but those interested can reach out to the company on their website for more information. Let's go to the robots. Yeah, there we go. The Bobot MRS-10. They got this one here. It's a high performance bot. Oh, look at that. Bobot SRS-100-400 digital on-site manufacturing cell. Placed in a standard ISO container, the SRS-100 400 is a complete digital manufacturing cell, which can be used at construction sites or concrete factories for additive and subtractive production tasks. The machine has a gantry system with a payload of 100 kilograms and a production area of 4.2 square meters. Whoa, that I have to see. Smart combination of hardware and software enables different functional applications for our mobile robotic systems. Several applications were developed internally and tested on site. In the close future, external developers will be able to use our SDK and software suite to add applications to the ecosystem. That's beautiful. Man, so Apple doesn't have anything to do with it, right? Yeah, robots rule. Hey, Amos, what's up, bro? Chris, would you like to see a robot make your coffee and bring it to you? No, I wouldn't. I like doing things for myself. I do. I like doing things for myself. Like, if we're not taking the time out of our day to do things for ourselves, like cleaning and like grooming and like just cooking, right? Then those are like, then what are we doing? We're either always working or we're lazing around doing fuck all. Oh, pardon, sorry, doing nothing, right? So I think it's a bad mix. It's an unhealthy mix to rely on automation and robotics. I think it's awful, actually. I think we need to have a very strict. We need to be very strict and limit to these things, right? Construction is a really touchy subject, right? Because we are very short on workers, right? And people not a lot of people want to work in construction anymore, right? Like, it used to be a really high paying, awesome job, now it's more, mediocre, I guess. But, it depends on, you can make some good money in it, right? But, you gotta be careful. I think we need to be definitely limit it, right? And be strict with it, right? That does laundry, yeah. Well, yeah, I guess. I mean, I still think, like, you wouldn't, even when you do something as simple as laundry, right? You have to sort the laundry. Yeah? You have to make sure you got, like, your whites and your darks. Yeah, that's simple. Some things have to be turned inside out, right? Things like that, right? You need to, and I think a human mind still does it better, right? Automation is key. Yeah. So when it does come to construction, if it limits waste, then it's a no-brainer. It's a must, right? We need to also use this technology to limit the environmental impact we have on the world, right? That's key, I believe. Yes, that's a big thing about it, right? I don't see it as a way to make more money or make money quicker. But yeah, that is the biggest thing for me, is the waste, right? Robots can be programmed to be more precise than humans, right? And it's not that humans can't be that precise. It's that they don't have the attention span and the focus to keep it up, right? That's the problem. Whereas robot is just on point, like, all the time, right? Automation will get us to a post-scarcity society. Well, we as a race are not good at limiting things, right? I agree. Dibs. I totally agree with you there, buddy. Here, I need to look this other robot. Let's see if I can find a smart modular robotic solutions. Chaostheory.zip. What? Oh, that's the song, right? Look at this, only got 24 views. Bobot is a brand of Princeton, whatever. This is the same video we seen. I got to get rid of some of these plugins. Like, see how long it takes to load the videos, especially when I'm streaming with Social Blade, TubeBuddy, and vidIQ? Like, come on, man. I think this is a ripoff. Or no, here, let's go over here. There we go. Is this the module or what? Oh, yeah, this is the robot 3D printing. Okay, so check that out. Was that in the other video? Did I miss that in the last video? Is this basically the same video we saw last time? Marking and layout. That's kind of neat, man. But here's the thing, right? When we're doing layout, a lot of it has to do with like you have to layout to the structure of the building, right? So it was a rip-off video, exactly, yeah. Mundane things so we can create. Hey, Mr. Rankin, 1976, yeah, dude. Menial tasks, they will be used to cut costs and reduce labor charges, though. Their end stage of automation. Yeah, Zaphael, yep. And repost videos. Yeah, it's crazy, right? Like, yeah, they just repost the same damn video. It's crazy. Remember, a robot is only as good as the person that programs it. And before you say about computer learning, someone has to program that too. Well, yeah, there definitely has to be like, that's the thing. Like, I don't believe in artificial intelligence. I don't think it's there yet. It's a augmented intelligence, right? It's still somebody programming it, and it reacts. It stores data, and it reacts based on the data that it stores, right? Based on the formula, right? Basically, the formula, you know. Don't think the big thing, robots and endurance. Yeah, the robots can work 24 hours a day, right? So I don't think there's any videos on this yeah, there's nothing. I can't find anything on this. Biobanking, BIOS, automated storage system. What is this? I gotta check this out. On this, on that cell, you know, like the. Biological samples. Oh, I see. Okay. I see. Okay, that's nothing then. That interests us. But, yeah, anyway, so that's neat. Oh, look at that. Autodesk fully releases Takeoff for 2D and 3D estimating. Oh, interesting. Oh, wow. So, yeah, you can now take off and estimate in AutoCAD, it looks like. So, let's see here. Autodesk announced the impending release of 3 new products, combining the best of all their existing products and adding new features at last year's virtual Autodesk University. Those products, Build, Takeoff, and BIM Collaborate, nice, are now fully available on a global scale, with Takeoff being the most recent release. Autodesk Takeoff allows estimators to perform 2D and 3D takeoffs within Autodesk Construction Cloud, ensuring teams are using the most up-to-date set of drawings and allowing collaboration between team members. Man, AutoCAD is going to rule everything, especially if they have the BIM, the BIM integration, the Collaborate. That's just like that software, guys. I am doing a video on this software still. Oh my god, I can't believe I forget it. But the virtual reality It's virtual reality, right? So you go into virtual reality and you walk around the building and like in the 3D model and you find it conflicts and talk about design things and whatnot, right? It's pretty neat stuff. So. Yeah, Chris, a robot could come into a work site and scan it, then scribe markings on the walls with a laser for where stuff needs to go, or paint it or mark it up. Yeah, so I'm thinking, yeah, actually, when you really think about it, if it does scan it, it would know the structure, right? So it might even do it better than a human, right? Because it could just do, like a robot could just scan it, right? And like they have the accurate probably down to a millimeter, you know. Of dimensions. Yeah, my kid. Yeah, that's funny, Amos. Mine. I'm surprised mine are still quiet. To tell you the truth. Yeah, I was expecting to hear some banging and yelling by now, but right on, dudes. Yeah, Amos. Yeah, it happens, man. They're, kids. Kids, man. They're always full of energy, full of something, anyways. So. Yeah, Lobo and Ochoa. Absolutely. Shout out Lobo and Ochoa. 100%, man. Shout out, guys. 100% Dibs. So glad to see you. But yeah, man, be well, my man. Be well, my man. We'll see you soon. We'll see you soon. We got a game. We gotta get a game session in, man, at some point here. Jeez. So once things slow down and I'm back in the studio, hell, when I'm doing this full time, man, I should be able to pop on once in a while. You know what I mean? So cool, buddy. Good to see you. Thank you for coming, man. Yeah, Jelly Duck, you too, buddy. You too, my man. Have a great day, guy. Have a great day, guys. Thanks for coming, man. Always good to see you, Jelly Duck, and good to see the Hulk Hogan. Yeah, Jelly. Right on, dude. They say hi. Right on, dudes. Right on, man. That's awesome. That's awesome. So yeah, 3D takeoffs are carried out in a similar fashion. Blah blah blah. Anyways, you guys get the idea. Look at that. Travelers Insurance offering to pay contractors in more states to use Procore. Interesting. So last summer, we learned that Travelers Insurance believed that using Procore as a project management tool helped contractors reduce risk on their projects, so much that they were willing to help pay for them to join the platform. That deal was previously limited to customers in 10 U.S. states, but Travelers and Procore have collaborated to further expand that program. So yeah, hey, Eva, good to see you. Welcome. Good morning. So fantastic to see you guys. Yes. Cheers, man. Cheers with coffee. I'm going to need to go get a hot coffee, I think. What time is it? Yeah, I'm going to go get a coffee, and then I'll finish my coffee with you guys before I go and do more work. But I'll tell you what. I'll throw a tunage on for a sec. And I'll be right back. Actually, I really like that song. Good tune, eh? All right. All right. Where were we? Oh, I guess I got to go back to... Oh yeah, this is something I saw today, which is interesting. Report 7.3% of America's bridges are structurally deficient in 2021. So down slightly year after year, right? Or year over year, sorry. So let me see. I don't know what the color coding means. I would say the darker would be where the more like the darker the color, the would be where the efficiencies would be more so, right? It's funny they show Alaska down here when it's up here. Okay. But yeah, let's see here. So each year, the American Road and Transportation Builders Association puts out their annual bridge report, which highlights the general state of America's bridges. Their recently released 2021 report shows a slight decrease in the amount of structurally deficient bridges versus the report in 2020. That's good. So yeah, look at this. 1 year later, the effects of coronavirus on construction, eh? It's been a little over a year since the pandemic sent the entire world into a period of uncertainty, heartache, and panic. The construction industry itself has undertaken many different challenges above and beyond keeping their people safe on the job site, many of which no one could have expected. Okay, that's weird. Yeah, so AGC recently completed a comprehensive survey of nearly 1,500 contractor members to see how the ongoing pandemic is still affecting their business. Among the challenges still facing many are supply chain constraints, rising material costs, and project delays and cancellations. So yeah, I've definitely I've suffered basically almost all of that, right? So supply chain constraints 100%. Even for the studio build, right, guys? Like I couldn't get rock wool, I couldn't get mineral wool, right? So I decided to go with it's R20, man. It's 6 inches thick, right? Insulation, anyways, and I'm gonna double R 5/8 with the green glue, right? But I'm all. So yeah, so it's going to be better. I'm going to have an STC about 64 is what it's going to end up at, right? Which is really good. It's right where I want it to be. I mean, an STC 90 would be like the best, right? But I'm only shooting for a 64 for this studio, anyways, right? I think it's going to be mint. It's going to be beautiful, guys. So I lost the chat here. Hold on a second. Sorry, guys. I lost you guys. I lost you. Hey, Cruiser, what's up, man? Hell yeah. By the way, how is Miss Eva doing? Shout out to Eva. Nice to see you. So glad that you could see you actually in the chat. Nice to see everybody this morning, man. Real men do not need bridges. That's funny, yeah. Too funny. Real men don't need bridges. Nice. Very nice, man. Very nice. Where the heck is the other one? There it is. Beauty. But yeah, so anyways, so I couldn't like they're having issues manufacturing things, you know, like only half the staff in factories and things like that. So the prices are going up again. Steel studs going up, insulation's going up, mud's going up. like everything's going up, guys, and a lot too. Like we're talking 40% in some areas. Okay, so drywall itself is going up, right? So drywall is going up, steel studs going up. It's gonna be crazy. I'm panicking right now because I got to go buy 5 2x8s, right? I need 5 10-foot 2x8s, right, to finish the garage. Instead of doing a furring bar on the ceiling, right? I'm gonna add more 2x8 to so that I don't want the airspace between the poly and the drywall. I want the drywall to be tight on the wood, right? So I'm gonna add the 2x8s in there. Yeah, OSB's over $40. It's absolutely insane. It is a mess right now. It is a mess right now. Oh, 10 days ago, OSB was $8. Wow. Paper money is going down. People don't get that. That's funny, man. I think that if the value of money goes down, right? The value of the resource is going to be it's going up anyways. Like it is going up because of the supply chain issues, okay, and the manufacturing and stuff, right? Like there's a lot of closed borders, closed this and that, right? So everything is going up. But yeah, so like when the value of the money goes down, right? The value of the commodity doesn't, right? It's actually going up, right? So that's why it's a crazy gap. That it's both Sapphire. It's definitely both. It used to be a disposable item. I know it did. Man, I bought a foam gun yesterday. $70, man, for the great stuff foam gun. $70 freaking dollars, man. It was crazy, but oh well. At least now I got one, I guess. So. And profiteering as well. Yes, that is a third factor right there. Yep, that's right. That's right. Real men don't need lemon. Yeah, you're right. That real men use lime. Real men use lime. Yeah, Amos, rockets go up and down now. So rockets go up and they can land. That's the Elon Musk's. He said for travel to Mars to be sustainable, you need rockets that you can reuse, right? So he's got the rockets that they shoot the rocket up or shoot the shuttle up and then they come back down and they land. It's amazing. It's absolutely amazing. Yeah. Well, I don't know what exactly you're talking about, but I think they are. I think we're printing money again, which is bad, right? Always bad when we're printing more money. So they did a night landing. That's fantastic. That's amazing. That is cool. I can't wait to man. We actually might see space travel, guys. We might actually get to see it. Hey, buddy, how's it going, Stuart Video? Nice, buddy. Good to see you. Welcome to the stream. Welcome. How are you? Man, it's good. Thanks for popping in and checking out the streams and stuff. I appreciate that, and leaving the comments and stuff. I appreciate that, man. They go boom or come down easier. Oh, my goodness. Okay, so what's going on? Let's get through this quick. The survey results make it clear that the construction industry faces a variety of challenges that threaten to leave many firms and workers behind, even as some parts of the economy are recovering or even thriving. The pandemic has left the supply chain for a range of key construction components in tatters and undermined demand for a host of private sector projects. So yeah, the insulation, man, insulation is like impossible. It is like if you need insulation, buy it now. No shit, guys. If you need any type of insulation, buy it now. If you can foresee it, you need to buy it now, guys. Now, insulation if for sure. Okay. Yeah, that's why, too, I'm rushing through the project here. The reason why I'm rushing the studio project is because of the price increases, guys. Okay, like I'm lucky I got the steel stud already. I got that last year. So that's already, I already purchased that. I only need to get a couple pieces of track and I'm good. Okay. But yeah, I'm getting the drywall and everything. I got the insulation just before it increased. So yeah, guys. 2007 and 2008. Remember that? Drywall went up 400% in 2008. Like what you're talking about, Cruiser Mac? Drywall went up 400% then. Yeah, I can remember we were on massive job, and all of a sudden, all this drywall just starts getting dropped. Like the whole job gets loaded. We're like, what the heck are you guys doing, loading the job already? It was a massive job, guys. Like there was truck after truck after truck after truck, man. Million square feet of drywall probably. And because of the price increase, they had to get the job loaded and they had to buy the board now because it was going to go up 400%. That really threw things for a curveball. A lot of people, like if you don't put stipulations in your contracts that if the price increases, like even I put that in my contracts. Okay, if the price increases more than 5%, okay, you're paying, not me. Okay, that's in all of my contracts. So if I'm just a little guy, then the big guy should have that in their contracts, right? Because yeah, man, like you got to be careful. You don't want to have a contract with somebody and have to pay for material. Okay. Always put a stipulation in your contracts. Always. It's criminal. Yeah, right? OG Scotty, what's up, man? The aliens will be introduced to us in June. No need for money. Yeah, right? That's hilarious. Oh, man. Going up across the board. Yeah, and that's the thing too. Like right now, I had to get a new job because the company that I was working for, the next two projects here in Edmonton were delayed. They're not going to start framing now till June, right? So they were supposed to be all done in a row. Okay, so we went in and did the one building, and then we would have had to wait till like July, at least earliest July, probably August to get back in there, right? So I was like, oh man, I need to have a good year this year, so that's why we got the new job, right? That's why we're working for the new company. Yeah, we scored big time, man. We got a 36 story tower to do. That's amazing, right? It's perfect. It's gonna be a good job. I'm gonna help the guys get it done. And yeah, it's gonna be fun. But yeah, like project delays. Of course, there's gonna be delays because there's gonna be delays at all level. Oh wow! Survey respondents were asked what kinds of delays they were experienced on projects, and the shortage of construction materials, equipment, and parts was the overall leader at 52%. 29% reported that they are not experiencing any shortages or delays. That's not that bad, actually. So 90%. Oh, there's definitely a shortage of PPE, by the way, too. I was lucky enough to buy I got a painting mask, a respirator. It arrives on Tuesday. I had signed up, or no, I didn't sign up, man. Amazon just is smart, and they emailed me when a mask became available, and I bought it right away. So there might be some masks available on Amazon right now, the 3M ones. So if you guys are having issues finding one, go check it out now while they have some. Because yeah, I'm lucky I got one. It's on the way. So that's the problem with construction. Being in the construction industry is we are building our future new world order prisons. We have jobs starting in the fall. We are gambling that copper and steel will go down by then. Yeah, Cruiser, I get you. And you see what I mean? And you're thinking later on in the year. And that's what these other guys are doing too. Everyone's taking a gamble. hopefully it'll go down. But I don't think I've never seen prices go down really. Like they kind of stay going up or they stay up, right? Like I don't remember really seeing a price drop, guys. So hey, Energy Day, awesome, Energy Day Moon, very nice to see you, love. Good to see you. How are you? Yes, glad you were able to catch it. Awesome, very nice to see you guys, girls. Sorry, yeah. Eva's here as well, or she was here, but so good to see the girls in the house. Boom. Prices go up because the dollar goes down. Yeah. So yeah, we were just kind of talking about that as well. Premly. We were just talking about that too, and in this case, because it's such a big gap, it's such a huge increase. There's a lot of factors. The value of money is going down, in the commodity. Price of the commodity is increasing because of it's hard to manufacture it. It's hard to there's some things they can't even get right now, right? Like there's something to do with the glue and the insulation, right? They can't manufacture it, so they can't make the insulation. Right, so it's a lot of stuff, it's a lot of stuff, and you put your deck project on hold, so. I know, and that's the other thing too, guys. Like I don't know if putting projects on hold is the answer, because I don't expect the price to go back down. Like the price of raw materials maybe, right? But at the consumer level, I don't know, man. I don't know. It's hard to say. It really is hard to say. Yeah, because once they know they can get that money for it, they kind of keep it there. I don't know. Has anyone ever really remembered? I don't know if I've ever seen a price decrease, like a significant one. Does anyone else? Am I? Anyone else remember? Oh, here we go. I had a big job in 2007 that I priced with escalation in mind. By the time we bought the stuff in 2008, it had gone down considerably. Oh, okay. So it did go down. Okay. Fair enough. There's plenty of lumber at the stockyards. Yep. Yeah. So yeah, and like there is that thing, like there is people capitalizing on the greed. Of course, they're trying to capitalize on it, and yeah, that's the thing. So it is getting more expensive to transport it, and it's a lot of factors. But yeah, the dollar weakening is also a factor. Yes. Yeah, 2007 and 2008. That's right. Yeah, we had a massive construction boom here in Alberta at that time, and it was a massive construction boom. The biggest boom I've ever seen in my life. It was massive, and it was pumping hard throughout 2007, 2008. But for some reason, the price of gypsum, boom, went up 400%. Man, it's absolutely insane, right? Unless he's expecting a crash that he's not telling us about. Yeah, maybe. Yes. Cape Verdean. Oh, you just emailed me a video. Okay, I'll check it out. 1 sec here. All right. Yeah, let's check this out. Greed sucks, and it's going to be what's going to bring us down. 100%. I agree with you, OG Scotty. I agree with you. You know that? I really do, because it is, man. Greed is the worst human quality. It is the worst trait.
From a local overhead door installer company, yeah. And we're headed up to pick them up. Beautiful day. The frogs were chirping yesterday, But I have some really interesting news that we're going to talk about.
Okay. Okay.
I stumbled on this yesterday.
Oh wow.
And I just felt I needed to show you this video. It's amazing. A lumberyard. It's actually a...
I'm doing very well myself, Energy. Thank you for asking. Man, it's so good to have you in the stream. Good stuff. Thank you for coming.
Train loads of lumber coming out of Canada.
Yep.
And they offload here, and then they're transported by tractor trailer to different lumber yards. This lumber goes on for over a quarter of a mile, maybe 3/8 of a mile. I'm just astounded at how much lumber is here, and I'm wondering why there's such a problem at the lumber yards.
Well, I have an answer for that. I do have an answer for this, by the way. I will watch a little bit, but then I'll tell you what's going on.
We're still seeing the prices increase at the lumber yards, so I'm not sure why. Wish I could understand that a little better.
Well, there is an answer for this. That is a lot of lumber, though, eh? Is that it?
And so I thought, that's great. Times 8. I mean, that's a lot of money. Vermont to go with what to show you this video. It's amazing.
It's a lot. All right. So, but here's the thing, right? Here's the thing, though. We like this might look like a lot of lumber to us, right? And what I'm expecting is that there is like, think about this, guys, for a second, okay? Like, we are so understaffed and behind in construction jobs. It's crazy. It would probably blow our minds if we really knew the scale of it, okay? Like, we're operating only at, I think, like 40% capacity, right? Like reaching demand, right? For we're only hitting about 40% of the demand, okay? Because of shortage in workers and contractors and companies and stuff, right? But there's a lot of projects that have been like a lot of projects have been awarded, a lot of contracts have been awarded, and so this lumber is guaranteed for jobs already. Like, it's put aside for jobs, like for certain contractors, for building houses and building buildings or whatever, right? But yeah, like, the answer is the system is rigged. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, it could be some sketchy stuff too, right? But my initial thinking is that it's already promised to builders. Okay, it's already been bought and paid for, yeah, they're securing it for their for, like, the products are already on going, right? So it's not like this stuff is about to be sold. Some of it might be, but I bet you most of it's already sold and spoken for, right? So that's all that is. That's what I would assume. You know what I mean? It's a lay down yard, and they're stockpiling it because of the prices. They're afraid that it's going to go up even more, probably, and they're afraid that another wave might come. So they're trying to get their material into the country, right? There's coming from Canada to the U.S., so they're trying to get it there, so that they can keep their guys working and keep their clients happy, but by being able to deliver the projects, right? So there's not always something sinister going on, right? Not always, but, like, don't get me wrong, okay, construction is a little sketchy, but yeah, like, it's probably a little bit of both, maybe, who knows, but that's what I would say. So yeah, and Russia isn't also sending lumber due to tariffs. Yeah, like, man, there's some crazy stuff. This world is really messed up. Like, the world is upside down right now, guys. It's really terrifying times with everything going on. We got issues with China. We got issues with Israel. We got issues with like man, Hades and like not good things coming out of there. Burma, like Myanmar, Taiwan, right? Like China is basically on the verge of invading Taiwan. Like it's crazy, man. There's a lot of bad stuff. Russia, oh my God, like. It's freaky, man. It's a freaky time right now, guys. If we can make it the next 10 years without a war, man, if we do go to war in the next 10 years, I fear for the worst, guys. The world has never been right. The world's always got crazy and it's going on. We just have so much connection that we actually hear about it now. Yeah, Bramley, that's a good point. That's always a good point. It is, because I do know, like when I was a kid, we had newspapers, yeah, and I would have to literally pirate like videos, right? I remember Vice Video before they were a news thing. They used to pirate video, like actual live news coverage and documentaries, and they were like, you'd have to spend a lot of money to get a VHS of it, a VHS tape, and of course by the time you get the tape, it's old news, but it's more of a history lesson than a world news thing almost. But it's crazy, man. It's crazy. India, oh my God, yeah, the India situation, oh my God, yeah, it is awful. Awful, absolutely awful. Yeah, everything at the top. Well, you know, and that's the thing too. Like, OG Scotty, like probably the number one reason why I'm not a project manager is because of that. When I went to go work as a project manager, they definitely ask you to do sketchy things, and I would never do that. I don't do unethical things. I'm a straight arrow, and that's why I don't mix at the management level, right, in construction. So Cold War 2.0. Oh, 100. Oh yeah, definitely. There is definitely a Cold War on right now, 100%. Yeah, it would be devastating. Yeah, and India is very sad. It is really bad, guys. Like, yeah, it's awful what's happening over there. It's really sad. Never work in government. Yeah, I know. Yeah. Goodness. Yeah, doing sketchy things left and right. Yeah, I don't doubt it. I don't doubt it. I mean, if construction is that bad, right? Oh goodness. But, all right, so yeah, project costs. 93% of respondents said that they have experienced additional costs. 81% said the cost increase were due to PPE and sanitation requirements. 58% said that projects are taking longer, and 27% said that fewer workers are allowed on job sites. So, yeah, some companies, 31%, have achieved some cost savings. Through job site tech, reduced travel, and reduced office expenses. Employment, 46% said that there has been no change in headcount at their company over the past year, while 20% have added employees and 34% have lost employees. 65% of those that lost employees said that the reduction was due to postponed or canceled projects. Yeah, that's why we just left our company, because of postponed projects, right? 45% blame fewer projects to bid on. 37% cited that some employees have quit or refused to work because of illness, exposure concerns, or family responsibilities. And 12% said that fewer workers are allowed on job sites. Yeah. Okay. Right on. So, yeah, just normal what we'd expect type stuff, you know. Oh, look at that. World of Concrete is officially back in 2021. So they are going to do the World of Concrete this year, it looks like. So, I wonder if they're doing it in Vegas. Hard Hats and Crafts celebrating women leaders in construction safety. Yeah. That's another thing too on this job site. There's more women on this job site that I'm on. This is a more it's a downtown job. It's bigger companies, more progressive. So it's yeah, it's awesome. It's nice to have girls on the tools and stuff. It's really cool. Industry surveys highlight the state of women in construction. Women in Construction Week is in full swing after starting on Sunday, March 7th. Oh, I didn't know that. Oh, this is an old... look at this. National Safety Stand Down to prevent falls. Falls in construction. If you're working at 6 feet or higher, you need fall protection. That's a little crazy. 8 feet is good. Nice. The Space to Build podcast highlights and inspires women in construction. Podcasting opens the door to listen to and enjoy so many different perspectives from across industry and across the world. I'm absolutely thrilled by the continued growth of podcasting in the construction realm. Haha, woo! That's right, baby. That's right. That's it, man. That's it. Safety stories of 2020. Ooh, 7 biggest safety stories of 2020. I should do a stream just on that, okay? That's a good one. To recommend neck gaiters. It's too hot, man. Neck gaiters are too hot, man. Yeah, dip and tall building completions. Yeah, of course. Normal stuff. Look at that, eh? Bechtel reaches construction milestone at $25 billion. Georgia nuclear plant. Biden's first 100 days. Anyways, yeah, whatever. That's it for the news. That is it, man. Hold on here. I have never ever been to Vegas, man. I would love to go to Vegas. Honestly, I would just love to. I definitely want to try to get to the World of Concrete in Vegas. I think that would be an awesome show. It would be awesome show to go to, man. Once we get this going and get everything going, man, it's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be awesome. We're gonna go to all the shows. We're gonna cover all the shows. We're gonna do everything, guys. Oh yeah, you bet your butts. You bet your butts. Let me just close this stuff up. Beautiful. Restore this, and yeah, good. There we go. Awesome. I've been there a lot, hoping to get back at least once more. Yeah, right on, Cruiser, right on. "20-foot fall protection is I'm a firm. I believe in fall protection for sure. But in fact too, like there's some ridiculous stuff that you see with fall protection, and people don't seem to realize the swing. You know, like I seen guys hanging off the side of the building that we're working on. They're 16 stories up, hanging off the side of the building, and the guy's lanyard is like, you know, he's wearing a retractable. So if he falls, it's going to lock. But this is the thing. He's going to fall, and I'm watching, and I'm looking at the swing. He's going to swing right into the concrete balcony right below him. I'm just like, look, I'm like, dude, like, I don't know why they do this. Why companies think it's a good idea to install things from the inside of the building. What are they thinking? What is wrong with them? Why are they not doing it on swing stages, man? I don't get it. You work on the outside of the building in a basket, okay? And you can do a whole row. It's faster, it's safer, it's probably cheaper, but because it's faster and everything, like, why are they not working on swing stages? It just blows my mind, man. It blows my freaking mind. I don't get it. Up protection? That's awesome, man. That's too funny, man. Awesome. Yeah, I started working on strictly only residential. Yeah, right on, dude. Just repairs and private stuff. I don't do the construction sites anymore. Yeah, I know. I'm like I am like I'm out of it. I have like 4 more years to go. I'm like I had a 5-year plan. I got 4 more years to go. And no matter what, if I'm not doing this full time in 4 years, then I'm gonna find a different job. I'll go work at a restaurant or something. I'm not doing it anymore. That's it. That's all. So, I mean, I want to do shows. I want to teach people. I want to, that's all I want to do. I just want to teach and I want to do shows about it. But I'm always going to be doing like stuff, right? I'm always going to be building in my house or building another house or something, you know what I mean? But for big job sites, yeah, I just want to tour them. I want to, maybe interview people on them and showcase them and whatever, but I don't want to work on them anymore. I am going later live. Yes. I am going live later. Yes, Amos, I will be going live from the studio, which reminds me, I got to get the hell out of here, man. I got to go. I got to get going. I got a lot of work to do. It's already freaking almost noon here. So it's been a great stream, guys. I love seeing you guys this morning. So nice to see everybody coming in and saying hi and stuff. But yeah, I do got a studio to build. So, and I got to go back to work tomorrow. So I better get going. I better get that going. I got to go to Home Depot and see if I can buy some lumber. It's the only place open on a Sunday. So I got to go there. But yeah, man, I want you guys all to take care. Have a fantastic and safe week. I will be live who knows when again. But, I know, like, later today in the garage. But, like, from here, I don't know. We'll see. But, yeah, I'll do it as many times as I can, guys. So, you guys know I love you. Thank you all for all of your support, watching and liking, commenting, being members, and everything you guys do. You guys are the best. Have a great day, guys. Bye for now.